Hey everybody, I'm in this gift shop. It's a restaurant. I'm not sure what this is. It's a Flying J or what it is. I don't think it's a Love's, but I don't know. I like this, but it's $8.99. Soft and slow squishies. We got the Squishmallows here. Squishmallows. Disney. Water. I'm gonna see. I got the wrong drink. Coffee. I meant to get plain black iced coffee, and he put a flavor in it. I don't know how much this is. Some Dr. Pepper. I don't know. Animal. Smoke balls. Energy. I don't like those.
Somebody else who wanted to move in. I mean, that's roommate life, isn't it?
Oh, there's more over here. $9.99 bug juice. Bug juice. Oh, Doritos. Snacks over here. Toastograms. Oh, pounds. Alright. What's that? Growler. Pure Venom. Excalibur. Learnings. Animal crackers. Red stripes. Cool. Oh, kinda. See if there's something I can get for caffeine. Okay. 10-ounce cans, 2 for $2. These are good. These Venom Energy, they're cheap energy. Yeah, there's some back there. There's some casino games and stuff. Leave you with a photo of Cracker Jack the original. This is the tour of the Acoma Sky City rest area with the McDonald's.